So today is January 31st and it's 1:30 p.m. here in California, and I am just starting work right now because this morning I woke up at 5 a.m. but I was editing and uploading videos and fixing some stuff on Canva. So I'm trying to get ready for my little cleanup for tomorrow. So tomorrow will be my first day for kickoff, February 1st. So over the weekend, we have 4, well, technically 3, but one person ordered 2 shirts. So I just have 4 orders, and I'm trying to print out the pattern for size 24 months because a person ordered the strawberry outfits, but they wanted a 24 months, and I don't have the 24-month printout yet. So my printer is not printing. I don't know why. Like, I print this morning, but now it's not printing. So I probably need to wait till my husband come back so he can try to see why it's not connecting, because it's a wireless printer. It's not picking up my print job from here. So I'll try to print here, but it's not connecting. So anyways, I'm not going to be piecing that pattern together until I print it out later. So now I'm just gonna be doing an Etsy listing, like photo editing and Etsy listing with some new item that I have probably 2 weeks ago. So I'm just gonna grab my phone and I'm gonna airdrop this to my laptop so I can start adding and list it and possibly do a video, like if I'm gonna do listing right now. So I will see you guys in the next video for the video log. So let's get to work, you guys. Hey you guys, so it's already Tuesday. Right now it's 7 a.m. now. So I didn't do a lot yesterday. Yesterday was just a lot of filming and just hanging out with Cloud. I was able to manage to at least piece my pattern together to be able to cut it today and sew up and finish some of the shirt. So I only have 4 orders, so that's not a lot. So I think I can finish it by at least Wednesday and Thursday. Maybe Thursday is the latest. So I will ship some out tomorrow and some out Thursday. This is the reason why I put a long processing time, because of, you know, trying to manage my house with watching my baby and also doing YouTube, because I have to work around my household and my kids' schedule and also Etsy. So it's good that the Etsy is making just a little sale here and there because it's easier for me to manage. So it's already 7, so Cloud's already awake, but I have to take my kids to school right now. And once I come back from taking my kids to school, I need to reorder a bunch of my blanks. So I wrote it down. I have an inventory tracker that I'm building through Excel. So I'm gonna have to put everything into the Excel, and then it'll be easier for me to see what I need to reorder. But now I have everything on Shortly, and I'm trying to cancel the subscription. So I just wrote all of my inventory down on this piece of paper. It's really messy. So anyways, you guys will see me order inventory in a little bit, and then for the rest of the time I'll try to do a little bit work here and there when Cloud's not too fuzzy, because he just woke up. So my husband's gonna watch Cloud for a little bit while I take the 2 girls to school. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when I start working. Can you say bye, ladies? Bye. Okay, you just woke up. You're grumpy. Guys, so today's Wednesday, 7:50 a.m. here California time. So I was up since 5:30 this morning, but I was just kind of like relaxing, and then woke up to did some video editing. So also got my machine ready. So Cloud just woke up like at 7:30, so I got him ready. And then now I am just going to put him on this chair right here. He's going to be sitting in my office chair and let him watch a little bit of YouTube, get him some milk and some snacks. So let's see how good he'll be so I can finish at least another order. So I only have 4 orders, so I will be done hopefully tomorrow. So depend how much I can get done today. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit and update you guys how my day went. And also, we'll be also doing another video log tomorrow. So, Cloud, you want to say hi, ladies? Mwah. Okay. Cloud just being silly now. Hey guys, so it's already 10:15 a.m. here in California, and I'm gonna go prepare some lunch. So by 11 a.m. me and Cloud can have a little bit of lunch. And then I'm going to try to take him out to the park so he can let out some energy. So around 2 p.m. he can go take a nap. So my kids are home early today. I have to go get them around 12:45. So after the park, we're just going to go straight to pick up the 2 girls. And then we'll come back and try to put Cloud for a nap. And when he naps, I'm going to try to finish the last shirt. So this is the 3rd shirt ready, so I'm almost done with my 4 orders. And then after the orders, I have to sew up the baby bloomer because the strawberry outfit, it's a full outfit, so I have to make the bloomers. And then when I have a little bit of time, I will finish the challenge because I did a little bit yesterday. I just need to sort through the box that I already did yesterday and put everything where it's supposed to go. So I'll talk to you ladies later, okay? Hey everyone, good morning. It's 4:30 a.m. here in California, and I woke up pretty early so I can get some work done before baby Cloud's awake. So today my plan is just to get all the Etsy order out. I'm going to sew this up, and this will be also a tutorial, so I'll probably show a little bit here for this video log. In the last 3 days I did not get any orders, so these are just the order for over the weekend, which is awesome because I need time to, get my administration stuff together. So in the meantime, when Etsy is low for you guys, you guys can always update it and also make new products, you guys. Etsy like that when you post new things, and also making new items will also help your store. It's just that I haven't made anything new. So I'm not sure if I want that level of commitment to have a lot of sales because I don't want to work like super late tonight. I like that I get probably a minimum of 5 orders a week, sometimes less, and which is good because I can designate that to, work on other stream of incomes. So anyways, that's just the plan for today. So let's get to work, you guys. I'll see you guys later if I have any updates for you guys.
like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.